every little bit counts. So even if you do a little bit or if you do a lot, as long as you do something, it will have a positive change. Somebody came up with the idea, let's do 1,000, which was just words spoken, and everybody was, yeah, that's a good idea, let's do it. At that stage, we didn't even know it would have been the biggest build in the Maldives or second largest restoration project in the world. We just thought it was a good idea, and here we are. It was really amazing to see so many different people from different walks of life coming together with one common goal, to do something good. We had guests, we had team players, we had marine biologists.
The most important impact from this event is, as people, we can grow together and achieve something bigger than ourselves. And the level of teamwork, commitment, dedication we have seen this week, I have never seen before. The importance of coral reefs from a scientific point of view is that it hosts 25% of all marine life and sustains about 500 million people. On a personal level, I would say coral reefs are home. I hope that this partnership can be a role model for many others to follow. And of course, I hope to make the big build even bigger and add to it.
We're very proud to be part of this project, which is the largest project ever in Maldives. We were introduced to Mars early last year, and we immediately clicked. When you share the same values and the same purpose, things go through quite fast. And actually, it took only 2 meetings to come to the conclusion that we had to do this, and we had to do it together, and that we were ready anytime they would help us do this. For me personally, the most important outcome of this project is that we are actively doing something. It's happened, we're proud of it, and we hope it's going to be of example or set a precedent for others to do the same.
My hope is that people will do this with a sincere heart for the love of the corals, and to see that it works, to go snorkel there in a year's time and think, wow, we did it. The tears and joy when that 1,000th reef star went into the water, it was unbelievable. And it's like just part of something bigger than yourself.